Reunification is a core in IDyGO's value proposition to the pet owner. Based on IDyGO's position for identification, we are developing a fully integrated tracking unit that uses the pet's unique identity to personalize flow of data integration. The tracking device is based on IDyGO's patented technology for reading identity associated with GPS-based tracking. Currently, IDyGO has patents in Norway, US, and Australia, and patent pending in Europe. The unit is called IDyGO, and based on the underlying patents, IDyGO will be the only provider in the market that can provide identity lock with the tracking device. A lock between the identity of the pet and the tracking device is extremely valuable for integration of value-added services. Given IDyGO's position within the veterinary business, we will have possibilities to integrate services few or none are able to provide. The IDyGO unit will be fully integrated with IDyGO's database for identification and registration, as well as the Pyramidion diagnosis and vaccinational database. Given this possibility, the IDyGO will be integrated with the ePassport system, facilitating for contactless border control. IDyGO have performed thorough market analysis. In surveys from 2013 and 2016, more than 60% of the total market have indicated that they would like to have a tracking device such as the IDyGO unit. As of January 1, 2018, IDyGO runs and operates the common European database for identified pets, EuroPetNet. Currently, EuroPetNet has more than 80 million pets registered in the database. EuroPetNet is a member-based organization with 26 European countries represented. IDyGO have developed a new platform during 2017 and operates now the complete solution, including web portal and database. Pet identification for the whole of Europe is defined by ISO 11784-785 standard. This is a proprietary technology and it operates on low frequency, providing a very short reading distance. On user friendliness, the standard scores low. You need a special scanner that mainly only police, veterinarians, and authorities have. For pets, the maximum reading distance is 15 centimeters. The only appliance with any greater value is the cat port. This is due to the short reading distance. While the market is moving, the current standard limits the possibilities and customer expectations exceed the industry's deliveries. IDyGO addresses all these challenges, and with the underlying patents, IDyGO has a unique opportunity to become a key European player. IDyGO uses the pet identification, and with the solution for EuroPetNet, IDyGO have a unique selling point to the 26 members in the organization. Design is a key selling point, and the expression of the IDyGO is characterized by quality and technology. We have deliberately designed the unit in reference to the flagship models for smartphones. The design reflects this visual awareness and at the same time indicates advanced technology. The IDyGO is a fully integrated smart pet collar. The main function for the end user will be the ability to track their own pet. This is done with the GPS and the GLONASS positioning systems. The IDyGO will let the user set up a geofence for the pet. An alarm will be triggered if the pet moves outside the boundaries. Further, the unit has an anti-theft defined by a proximity sensor. The smart pet collar reads the pet identity, and it has an integrated iBeacon technology that can transmit this ID. This means that any user with a smartphone can pick up the signal through an app and directly look up the owner and make contact if a pet is located. If the pet is on the loose, the beacon signal can be automatically switched on. The iBeacon signal can also be used for border control. The pet's identity is transmitted. Manual or automatic border controls pick up the signal and verifies the data with the ePassport system. The IDyGO unit is built with ability for integration of external sensors such as heart rhythm and temperature. This can be used for telemedical purposes such as a post-operative treatment. A pet is sent home and the vet can monitor the pet's health recovery. IDyGO uses GPS and GLONASS for positioning and the GSM network for communication. The unit is made ready for the Internet of Things that will use the narrowband 4G network. When the pet collar is attached, it reads the pet ID and locks the unit to the pet. IDyGO communicates with ID's vet systems. IDyGO transmits the identity over iBeacon. The iBeacon signal is detected by third parties with an app. Contactless border control. The IDyGO unit is designed to communicate with the ePassport system. Identity is locked and transmitted with iBeacon. The iBeacon signal is picked up by border control. Identity and vaccination is checked in the ePassport system. Veterinarian that performed the vaccination is verified, and pet is cleared for border crossing. Tracking and IDyGO. Owners can track their pets, their smartphones, and map data. Anybody with a smartphone can pick up the iBeacon signal and through an app look up the owner. The iBeacon signal can also include all owner details for direct display. ID is proud to present an end-to-end solution including the ePassport solution integrated with advanced pet tracking. Fully operational, the system will provide pet owners with a unique tool for reunification and also facilitating for effective and safe border control and travel within Europe.